They just cut a tree down and we missed it. The neighbors are getting stuff done today too. Hello, we're back in this bathroom again. We're getting ready to start in here and we were like, this bathroom does not have an overhead light. So we had to call in the electrician and figure out where we're gonna put the fart fan. Y'all know about fart fans. Bath fan if you're fancy, right? So, fart fan. And then over here is where the sink's gonna be. So I'm just gonna do a wall mount light above the mirror there. Now, let's put some ceilings up and make this look better. We're gonna do shiplap. We had some left over, might as well use it, right? Plus I like the interesting texture. We're gonna do that in the laundry room. And then I thought, well, it needs a friend. The laundry room can't be the only room with shiplap ceiling. So I decided to do the bathroom too. So it's gonna be nice, bright, white, and pretty shiplap ceilings. Okay, so pro tip, if you're shiplapping the ceiling or if you're gonna like wallpaper, start on the wall that you see when you walk in. Like with the shiplap, we're gonna start back there and work our way this way. Cause it's not, the ceiling is not gonna end up right with the right amount of boards.
Yeah, the last one have to be.
You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna have to cut the last one skinny. And if you start over here, then the first one that you see over there is gonna be the rip, the skinny, weird one. So start back there with what you're gonna see when you walk in the room and let your last skinny piece end behind you, back here. Shiplap. It's done. That took like 15 minutes. Leave yourself a little gap. Don't cut them tight. Especially if you're going to have crown molding anyway. The crown will have the gap. And that way you're not fighting it. Because we just skimmed these and sanded them and you don't... You just fart. This video is all about farts. Anyway. Leave yourself a gap if you're gonna have crown molding, so you don't have to fight them in there and scratch your walls up, because America's Uncle just skimmed these walls and got them nice and smooth, and if you rake that board up that wall, you're gonna have to sand them again and cut them a little short. Let the trim hide it. The sealing is done. No mudding, no sanding, no waiting on it to dry, putting 3 coats. Thank you, Shiplap. I love you, Shiplap. Why don't you marry it then?
Just marry it.
Here's what I was talking about with that, cutting that rip. See how we need a little skinny one to go in there? If we'd started on this side, we would have had a skinny one in down there. And that just thing's cute. When you walk in, you want it to all be nice and pretty and have the ugly behind you. If there has to be ugly, let it be behind you. Just like with life.
Measuring for your rip, you want to bump to the inside lip of the shiplap, which will be, if you're looking at it on the ceiling, it'll be like this. So you want to measure from this edge right here to the wall, okay? And what you do is, whatever that measurement is, which in this case is 1 5/8", you pull it from where this piece is going to bump this piece on the ceiling. So right there is where I measured the other one, the other board, where it'll hit.
That board.
It's kind of hard to explain, but
yeah.
So that measurement was 1 5/8". So you pull 1 5/8", get you a mark on the back side, and then you get this measurement, which is 3 1/8", and that's your rip.
Okay, so do we need the 3 1/8 or the 1 5/8"?
We need the 1 5/8".
Okay, we need the 1 5.
But it's hard to measure.
Yeah, and
because of the gap.
Yeah, and make sure you're keeping the right side of your shiplap, because how they overlap each other. You don't want to cut off the side you need, so make sure you're cutting the right side off. We're shipping and lapping, you might as well do the laundry room. So this room's about to be pretty too, y'all. Woohoo! y'all too, friends. If y'all had fun hanging with us today, then come back and hang with us some more. And like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, do all those fun things. And y'all remember to be good and do good. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.